To use voice typing on POCO M8 5G, first we need to make sure that it is enabled. So let's open Settings, scroll down in here, and go to Additional Settings. Next, open Languages and Input, and then go to Manage Keyboards. Select Gboard, this is our default keyboard that we use on this phone, and then here we have voice typing. Make sure that it is enabled. Now we can open our keyboard. Let's say I'm going to use this browser over here, this search, and once you open the keyboard, on the right side you should be able to find this microphone. So we can use it, and if you tap on it for the first time, you will need to grant the permission to record audio. And after that, whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into a text that you can see right now on the screen. And in some cases, in some apps, if you stop saying your sentence, the microphone will be deactivated. But in other cases, you will have to tap on the microphone by yourself. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.